Hello everyone. Um, in today's video, we're going to show you how you can enhance your Zoho CRM lead information using TowerData API. TowerData can help you improve the quality and the depth of your data by enabling you to quickly and securely validate email addresses and then match that email address and get demographics and behavioral data about your customer in real time. This is a very powerful tool. And guess what? It comes with a REST API access in JSON format, which is a very easy way for getting this API connected to your Zoho CRM. And some of the things that we can actually get, we can get it here from email intelligence. There's demographics such as age, gender, income, purchase intent in categories such as electronics, clothing, furnishings, life stages, whether if it's a millennial, if it's married, it's a new parent, kids in the house, lifestyles choices, fitness, beauty, maven, and all kind of different demographic and data breakdowns that can be very, very useful when you're building your database and need to understand a little bit more about your customer. So here's a call that I did on an email address. So you see, you get the marital status, the net worth, occupation, what level of education was completed. If it's a homeowner, what's the market value of that particular home? Gives you a range, but it's better than nothing. The gender, length of residence in that particular house, household income, more or less, and then the age group, homeowner status, presence of children, and so on. So all this information can then be stored in your CRM either under a text, or you can actually break this down and associate each of these particular data points into a specific record within your CRM for further analysis. So this is a very powerful tool, and not only can you bring this information over to your CRM, but if you have a Zoho Creator app, I'm going to show you here. Let's do this. Take a look. You type your email address and boom, you get information automatically about that email address. So if you are building a database in Zoho Creator and need additional information about your customer with the use of an email and the TowerData API, you can have that additional information about a client or potential client. So yeah, check it out. You can get all the scripts and information on how to set it up in our Deluge Script Library. Feel free to reach out to us if you would like us to set this up for you instead. And that's it. That's it for tonight. We hope you guys are safe and um, keep working. Make sure that you continue to improve your databases. This time is the perfect time to push through that project that you put in the back burner before. So give us a call if you need help improving your Zoho Creator or Zoho CRM databases, okay? Have a good night all. Take care.